In this video, I'll show you how you can redeem a Steam gift card. Now this is super simple guys, so let's get straight into it. First you want to open up your Steam, and from in here you want to click on your icon up here. From in here go to view my wallet, and it's going to take you to the Steam wallet site. Now in here you can either add the funds, but what we want to do is simply press on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So press on this one, and now you will come to the page where you're simply gonna type in your wallet code. Now if you got the Steam gift card as a physical one, there should be a little box on the back of it that you need to scrape, and there will be a code under that. If you got it as a digital item, it will be in your email and there will be a code on it or wherever you got it sent to. So simply type in the code here, press continue, and you will now have the funds to your account. Now that's basically how it works guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.